Hi everyone, I'm Joe Brady, and I invite you to take a closer look at our wonderful trip to Great Britain this October. We picked the middle of October as it is generally high season for fall foliage in the Lake District, that beautiful hilly region of mountains, lakes, and forests in northwestern England. The Lake District, and in fact much of Great Britain, comes alive with colorful displays of fall foliage, and the hillsides are covered with shades of red, orange, and gold. These colors contrast wonderfully, reflecting in the lakes and as a blanket on the mountainsides. This is a quieter time of year here, with a peaceful atmosphere and fewer crowds. There will be picturesque trails, or you can simply enjoy the views. In addition to our time in the Lake District, we have many other wonderful places to visit, from the majesty of London to the castle that looks over the city of Edinburgh in Scotland. We start our trip in London, where we plan a day trip over to Stonehenge and Bath, before heading up to Stratford upon Avon, Shakespeare's town. From there, northeast to the beautiful medieval town of York, with its narrow streets, a beautiful cathedral, the ruins of an abbey, and all surrounded by an ancient town wall. From York, we head west to Kendal, the heart of the Lake District, for 3 days of touring and photography around the region, before finishing up in the wonderful city of Edinburgh in Scotland. It sounds like a lot, but our pace will be leisurely and relaxing as we take in the sights and enjoy the cozy accommodations and warm hospitality of the locals. Join us as we take in the natural and cultural wonders of this varied itinerary and the comfort of our own private coach. Click the links to take a closer look, and if you have any questions at all, send us a note or give us a call. I hope you can join us for autumn in Great Britain.